PPP update, Blue Acorn. We're going to be talking about funds deposited. Also, we're going to be talking about return funds. Guys, let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. I know tons of people are still waiting for a PPP loan. There are also tons of people, accepting the fact that it did end. Now, everybody is different. And I do want to let you guys know, depending on when you filed and how you filed, people are still waiting on PPP loans out there, So there are still funds out there that is available to you guys. Hopefully we can get you guys some updates, and as well let me know in the comment section if there's anything that I can do when it comes to pointing you guys in the right direction when it comes to the PPP loans. Now there are other loans out there like I mentioned that people can apply for, and it's all really different, right? It's really based on your location. Every location is different. Everybody requires to do that, so like every location is different, right? So at the end of the day, guys, let me know in the comment section when you guys stand. If you guys own a business, what's going on? Is there any other thing or any other loans out there that you guys can apply for? So we're gonna jump right into this. I do want to let you guys know I'm doing a giveaway at the end of the month, so that's just my way of giving back to you guys. And this was a member of my channel. They begin to say Blue Acorn PPP return funds, and this was just yesterday. They began to say I applied for a PPP back in April. It got approved and my bank rejected it. Then I changed my bank information and it took a couple of weeks for them to tell me I'm receiving my funds. Then almost a month later of back and forth on QUiNTiN, SBA, and in the end they tell me I won't be receiving my funds. What? So anyways, I emailed SBA and haven't heard a word. What do I do now? It still says the money is in my name. I just don't have access to it. So let's get into these comments because I am intrigued to see what exactly is going on, if there's anything that I can do. So I'm going to say, honestly, I was told to just be patient and it'll work itself out. But I'm confident in that comment. I'm not confident in that comment at all. So I begin to say the loan is going to be canceled in QUiNTiN. Nothing you need to do. But how long? I am in the same boat. It's been over 6 months and no change. Now, guys, people have been waiting over 6 months, literally. So I definitely know the struggle. I definitely know how people can feel and how frustrating that it can be. You're waiting 6 months for a PPP loan, or even the government in general. You're waiting for the government to do some type of update, and it just seems like they don't do updates. And like I said, it comes with this. It comes with tax time, stimulus checks. People have been on the verge of not getting their payments as soon as they would like, or as soon as they was told. I know you can contact Blue Acorns and they may tell you one thing. You check the SBA portal website and they may tell you another thing. So it really is tough. It really is tough out there determining that. Somebody said contact your local SBA office, go directly to the top of the office. Also, your local congressperson, they have someone in DC or local office that can help, which is very true. And that's what I advise you guys as well. Just kind of forget waiting on emails, forget waiting on this person, that person. At the end of the day, the only thing that you can do or should want to do is, you run out of emails, you run out of phone calls, try to contact the best person as possible. The SBA, try contacting somebody, whoever you think. But like I said, you can do a Google search, and that Google search will lead to some type of direction, but everybody is different based on your location. But I would be emailing, sending tons of emails out. Somebody said, did this happen to you? People are saying there's nothing I can do. Somebody said, same thing happened to me. In QUiNTiN, my status still says dispersed current. Blue Acorn told me in June after I was waiting to receive the dash card. They did me the same exact way. Somebody said, me too. Somebody said, welcome to the team. A lot of us got done that way. Nothing you can do. It's been over months. Sorry. And it sucks. It really does. And it's unfortunate that, people are waiting 6 months, 5 months, 4 months, 7 months, for these PPP loans to release. And it doesn't like there's no hope for it right now. So as far as that, and like I said, some people the PPP has ended. I'll leave it at that. Some people the PPP has ended, and some people they're still waiting. Now there is hope, just because it doesn't say ended yet. So there is still a little bit of hope. But at the end of the day, guys, we all know at the end of the day, it's just a waiting game. It really is just a waiting game, and you could be waiting even longer. But hey, when it comes to push comes to shove, if you wait this whole year, literally, they may do some type of incentive or something. I don't know, but I would just assume that for the people that's been waiting this long, they either need to update the systems or they need to push through those loans. So there is still hope, just because it doesn't say ended. But at the end of the day, that really doesn't mean anything if you're not funded. Somebody said all the funds run out, didn't they? I don't understand why banks were sending people money back, because I have zero issues. Better use business account. So that's another thing as well. If you're using a personal account, that was probably the majority of the people who were going through these issues. They didn't have a business account. Now, if you had a business account, it does seem like it went through more smoothly because it was a business account. So for future references, just go to your bank and see if they can set you guys up with a business account, because a personal account, it's more regulations, more qualifications, to the sense of it's personal, right? So the bank sees a $20,000 PPP loan and they are hesitant about it. They are trying to figure out what exactly is going on, right? So everybody's different though. Like I said, some people went through, some people didn't. But for future references, just try to use a business account. Cash App was even a business account people were using and getting their funds as soon as possible. Somebody said contact the SBA. They are looking into mine from Blue Acorn, Google SBA, and it will walk you through it. So, hopefully that is the case. I will leave some of these comments up if you guys want to go ahead and reread it. Let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. As always, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. How does CHIME Credit Builder Card work? Does CHIME Credit Builder Card work? My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you're new to the channel, of course you guys gotta like and subscribe. I will be bringing this content to you guys, and I'm gonna be letting you guys know the ins and outs when it comes to the CHIME Credit Builder Card. A lot of you guys have been asking me about these questions, so of course I'm going to try my best to answer them. Before we get to this video, if you are new to CHIME, feel free to download CHIME right now using the link in my description. Also, I'll put the link in the pinned comment. Now, by doing this, basically by downloading CHIME with my link, you'll receive $100 for free. You'll receive a checking account, a savings account, and a credit builder account. Now, that's what we're going to be talking about today. But besides that, let's talk about the savings account that you guys will actually receive. Basically, if you put money in your savings account, over time, that money will make money. You'll get an